Hi, I'm Prakyat, an HMS developer from Huawei India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Code. Today I'm going to explain about MLKit and show its integration steps. If you want to watch the previous videos on MLKit, please click on the link below. In this video, we will introduce the sound detection service of Huawei MLKit. This service can detect sound events in online mode. The detected sound events can help you perform subsequent actions. Currently, the following types of sound events are supported, such as laughter, child crying, snoring, sneezing, shouting, dog barking, running water, car horns, etc. Currently, only one sound event can be detected at a time. Mixed scenarios are not supported. Now, let us get coding.
Open and sign in to Huawei developer website. Go to Console, App Gallery Connect, open My Apps. Click on New App, enter the relevant information. Select Add to Project and click OK to create a project. Go to My Projects. Select Manually, enter the package name. Enter the package name and save. Set the default data processing location. Add the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your application. Then download agconnect-services.json file. Add agconnect-services.json file under app directory. Verify the package name that was mentioned in App Gallery. Open project level build.gradle file. Add the Maven repositories under build script and all project section. Also add the class path. Open application level build.gradle file. Add the latest version of MLKit sound detection libraries under the dependencies section. Open the Android manifest file and add the required permission. Create a layout, add buttons and text view. Open the sound detection activity. Set the click listeners. Request for permissions. Create ML sound detect listener object. Override the callback methods. Initialize the sound detector. Set the sound detect listener. Call start. Get the result in the callback. Get the detected sound type. Add it to a list. Set it a text view. Now the coding is completed.
Let's write how to do that. Open newly installed app, tap on start, it will start sound detection. Once any supported sound is heard from surrounding, it will detect and display it. Tap on stop, it will stop the sound detector. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below or visit Huawei developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.